So yan, nandito tayo sa Toyota Pasig. Ito yung Hilux GRS. Yan yung papasukin natin ngayon. Tara! So yeah, ito na nga tayo in front of the Hilux GRS. Yan. Yan. Rugged na rugged yan. So this is considered as the top of the line. Ito lang yung may fin type na antena. Yan, nakita nyo? Yan. So yan, isa sa unique design ng GR is this one. Yan. So hindi ganyan yung design ng Conquest version. This one. Yan. So nagra-run siya hanggang dito eh. Ayan, nakikita nyo? Hindi ganyan ang design. Even this the fog lights. Even yung mag tires niyan is GR design na rin. Yan. So isang advantage nito versus the Conquest is yung front and back nito is may monotube shock versus the Conquest and other Hilux na mababang variant. Plus, merong paddle shift to. So this design of the Hilux GR is black top siya. Black top yung ibabaw niyan. And itong white two-tone na Hilux na to is with additional 20,000. Same with the emotional red na Hilux. So and all Conquest variant is meron na yung Toyota Safety Sense. Combination niya ng pre-collision, lane departure, cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert. Plus may 360 camera dito. So when it comes sa lane departure alert nito, nandito yan usually nakalagay. There. So nandyan yung sensor niyan, habang umaandar kayo, minomonitor niya yung lane. So yan, dyan nakalagay yan. Mags nito is 17. So, yung caliper design niya is color red. Disc brake din to Ito yung gulong sa likod. Yung side mirror niya, black design siya. For more sporty theme. Then nandyan yung camera niya sa ilalim Ayan. Black yung design ng door handles natin. So ang haba ng intro natin, pasok na agad tayo. Tara, pasok na tayo. So, simulan na natin dito sa door panel ng driver side. So, this one, here we have this 4 panels pa din. Sakto, 4 na window. Then, lock window. Then, central lock ng doors. Side mirror control, this one, left or right, para ma-adjust mo yung side mirrors. Then, this one is the joystick. Whether up or down, then left or right. Pag i-adjust nyo yung side mirrors. Yan. So, this one naman is, kung gusto nyo i-retract yung side mirrors, pwede nyo kasi siya i-fold. And after this is the design of the handle. By the way, leather to This is leather design. This, yan. Cup holder na extended. Okay. This is the lock. Then, dito may parang carbon fiber design. Yan. Okay, this one is plastic. This is not leather. Pero it looks like leather up close. Then, meron tayong speaker here, a tweeter. Then, another one below. So, yan. Okay, after here is the seats. Ito yung adjustment ng seat niya. So, automatic siya. Yan. So after here's the seats, dito tayo sa panel under. Okay, ito meron dito 360 camera. Then this one is blind spot monitoring. Then this one is parking sensors. Then left side here is the pang-open ng gas. Then this one is the hood. Okay. Yan yung design ng aircon vent niya, left, right, up and down. Then this one is cup holder. Yan. Okay, ito na yung design ng steering wheel niya. So yan, meron tayong pang answer ng call here. Yan, answer ng call, hang up, skip na music, volume control, up, down, mode. Ang Hilux GRS comes with the paddle shifter. There. Yan. Yan. Okay. Then, meron tayong cursor here. To navigate there also sa multi-information display. Then this one, yung gitna, enter. This one, back. So yun lang naman, madali lang yan para ma-navigate mo to. Alright. Then this one is meron ditong shortcut button for the lane departure. Okay. Tapos ang steering wheel niya is with the sign of this GR. Yan. Okay. Kasi yan yung design ng speedometer niya. Analog plus digital. Yan. Ito naman yung aircon vent. Actually, halos kamukha lang din yung ibang Hilux. Pero this one, ang highlight actually ng Hilux GRS RD, suspension, of course. So, balik tayo. Nandito ang push button. Nice. Ganda. Then this one, shift. Ito yung pang shift natin ng 4-wheel drive going to 2-wheel drive. So yan na nga kasi 4-wheel drive tong vehicle na to. So meron tayong low na 4-wheel drive. So yan yung mga adjustment niya. Then after here is ito naman yung adjust for the aircon panel. Ayan, high low para ma-adjust mo yung fan blower, off. Then rotary to Ayan. Then below is this classic power supply na pwede nyong i-adjust. Pwede nyong kabitan ng extension para mas at least versatile. Pwede kayong mag-connect ng everything versus dun sa mga naka-fix na USB na lang. Then this one is differential lock. Yan. Then traction control, downhill assist. Yan. Ideal yan, downhill assist, especially yan sa mga nagpo 4-wheel drive for recreational purposes. Then below this one is the wireless charger. Yan, ganda. May on-off yan by the way here. Then pababa naman is the cup holder. Then pababa ulit tayo is the power and eco. So yan, when it comes to power, mapapansin nyo agad yan, very sensitive at aggressive na yung makina kapag nag-power mode ka. Ito naman eco is, yung settings niya internally is gagawin niya yung everything na para mas makasave ng gas tong vehicle. So just set it here, especially on urban areas, super traffic. Yeah. Then this is the design of the shift knob and the shifting. So basic, napakasimple. Park, reverse, neutral, sports mode. So meron tayong plus minus the Tiptronic. Baba mo lang, then salpak dito sa kaliwa, meron ka ng plus minus. So kapag nag-switch ka dyan, makikita mo naman yung gears here. Right there. Para hindi ka nalilito kung anong gear ka na. Bakit itong Hilux GRS is naka-classic handbrake? So yan, the best pa rin kasi talaga to. Ako mas gusto ko to versus electronic parking or handbrake. Kasi ito, grab and go ka. Grab and stop, grab everything. Grab everything. Hindi mo na kailangan tumingin dito sa area na to. Grab ka na lang habang naka-focus sa street. Especially kung nasa mga yan na nga 4-wheel drive terrain. Sa mga terrain na mahihirap for recreational purpose, grab ka na lang here habang naka-focus ka sa terrain. Nice. So dito naman is yan, lagayan. Ganda, malapad. Actually, you can rest your arm here. Yan yung elbow mo. Yan. Yan, ganyan yung accent niya. Relax na relax yung elbow mo. So yan, after dito sa ating center console, yan, andito na tayo pataas. Yan, nice. Ito classic, push para ma-on, then off and door function ang function ng lights dito. Then may lagayan tayo ng salamin. Nice. Then okay, wala tayong mirror here. Pero dito sa upuan ni Mrs. is meron. Nice. And the classic one, meron tayong cool box. Different yan sa baba, sa glove glove box here. So dito dumadaan yung aircon. So pwede kasi mga kunyari may dala kayong drinks dyan, just to keep it chill. Yan, dyan yung ilagay, dumadaan yung aircon dyan. Pero hindi naman ito yung sobrang lamig just like yung katulad ng refrigerator nyo. Yan. Nice. So close ko. Andyan yung switch niya kasi. So ito, glove compartment, lagay ng documents, anything na pwede nyo malalagay dyan. Okay. Yan ang design nung dashboard. Nice. Ganda. By the way, ito kasi upgraded to Previously hindi ganito ang monitor na design nito. Pati yung mga apps dyan sa loob. Yan. Upgraded yan. Also the Hilux Conquest version. Okay, moving on. So yeah, ito. Punta tayo sa second row to show you how the second row look. Okay, alright. Laksan ko lang ilaw So, yan. Ito pwedeng i-fold up. Yan. So, ang design nito is leather seats. Yan. Makikita nyo. Then, this one is suede. Yan. Gamusa siya. Alright. So, ito yung design ng seatbelt niya. Color red. Then, meron pa ring lagayan dito sa ilalim. Then, meron tayong second row aircon vent. Ganda. Nice. Yan. Nice. Ganda ng design. Then, this one is, meron tayo, actually nakalagay dito is 4 kilogram maximum capacity. Lagayan to is, pwede kang magsabit ng kung ano-ano. So yan, retractable siya para hindi nababangga yung ninyo. Lagayan pa rin ng any documents here under. So leather seat to. This is fixed design ng leather seat. Alright, yan. Design niya. Ito yung design ng cargo area niya. May bed liner. And of course, light din ang ano nito. Meron tong hydraulic na para kapag binaba mo tong back door is magaan siya. Hindi siya mabigat. Same with the Conquest lineup. Yan. Yeah, so before I forgot, this variant is GR Sport. Wala tong roll bar. Yan, kita nyo agad. Wala itong roll bar here. So this variant is GR Sport. Meron din naman variant to na meron ding still meron pa rin siyang roll bar here. Yan. So dalawa yung variant niya. Pero same color variation. Merong white, merong red, and black. Balikan lang natin ulit yung bumper. Ganda. So yan, naka Toyota design to instead of the emblem of the Toyota. 360 camera here. This one. And nice. Ganda. So wide tread to Kasi pag in-avail nyo to, usually may nakalagay na WT sa vehicle description nito. Ang ibig sabihin lang kasi nun is wide tread. Kasi nga malapad to. Yan. So yun na nga. Recap lang natin yung mga over fender design niya is different from the Conquest variant. So mas maganda yung design niya, medyo mas parang aggressive talaga yung design niya versus the standard na Conquest variant. So yeah, yun na nga is meron Toyota Safety Sense ang GRS. Pero syempre, meron pa rin naman yung Conquest variant hanggang 4x2 na Conquest. Yung availability nito, mas maganda, heads upan nyo ako in advance. Hindi kasi yan monthly na yung supply niyan. Minsan kasi medyo may pagka-seasonal ang supply nito. So mas maganda heads up nyo ako ng advance para ma-check ko na agad yung arrival nito sa Philippines. So yun na nga. Itong final natin ulit. Nuulit-ulit ko lang ulit. Meron kaming trade-in dito. So any brand tinatanggap namin. Kung ano pa man brand yan sa sasakyan mo, dalhin nyo na lang dito. Pero teka, kailangan nyo muna magpa-schedule sa akin. I just want to make sure na nandito yung mga appraisers namin. Ayoko naman na susugod kayo basta-basta dito. Dala nyo yung vehicle nyo. Nang wala dito yung mga appraiser. Baka mamaya magalit kayo. Mas mahirap yun. So aside from trade-in, cash, purchase order, in-house financing, pwede kayong mag-high down para mababa yung monthly. Down kayo ng 1 million, for sure, ang baba na lang ng monthly nyo yan. So yeah, kung magaan lang sa loob nyo, pwede nyo i-like the video, share, and subscribe para maging updated kayo sa mga video ko regarding Toyota models. Bye!